Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your debit card of the Bank of America through your web browser. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser. Then on the address bar or the Google search bar, you're going to type in Bank of America. And then you're going to type in you're going to click on login to online banking, a sublink from the link of Bank of America. Right, you're going to click on this. So once the page loads, you're going to hit your user ID and your password. You click on login. Maybe it'll ask for two-factor authentications like OTP or email. You complete that and you'll be logged into your online banking of Bank of America. Once you go to the main page, you're gonna find a section called debit card and click on activate new debit card. A list or a series of steps or instructions will be presented to you. You're gonna complete the steps or instructions giving correct information about your debit card or about your account. Once you complete all the steps, you'll be successfully activated your new debit card. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.